Hi, Martin here with another video, and in this video we're going to look at how you can use dictation on Mac to easily transcribe your audio using the built-in feature. So I'm going to go through how to set it up. We're going to set it up with our own shortcut, and we'll have a bit of a discussion about some of the caveats that come with attempting to transcribe or dictate your audio. So let's get started. Okay, so in order to activate dictation on Mac, we're going to need to head to System Settings. So let's go ahead and click the Apple icon and then click on System Settings. So once our System Settings is open, we're going to look over here on the left-hand side and we're going to scroll until we find Keyboard. So once we get to Keyboard, which is here near the bottom, we're going to click on it, and then you can see down here towards the bottom we have these options for dictation. So it says here, use dictation wherever you can type text. To start dictating, use the shortcut or select start dictation from the edit menu. So let's go ahead and check that and then hit enable. So that's essentially telling us it's going to use the microphone to dictate on Mac. So here we can choose what language we want to have. We can also choose the microphone source. So I'm using my external microphone, so that's automatically selected, but I can easily go in and change that to my MacBook Pro microphone. Then we have the option of what shortcut do we want to use. So we can press the Control key twice, we can press the Function key twice, right Command key twice, left Command key twice, or either of the Command keys twice. Or you can go ahead and customize that even further. So I find I'm quite happy with the first one, so press the Control key twice. So I've got that selected. So now when I press the Control key twice, that should activate my dictation on Mac. So let's go ahead and test that out. So I've got a blank Pages document here, and I'm going to hit the Control key twice. You now see I've got this icon here, and that everything I'm saying is being dictated and then transcribed into my Pages document. If I want it to stop, I can simply hit the Control key twice again. Okay, so it stopped listening to what I'm saying, but you can see here that it's worked pretty well and pretty easily. So look, well, the key when we are transcribing our audio is we can sometimes run into a few issues. Maybe it's not perfectly hearing the words that you're saying, or there's some grammar that's not quite perfect. But it can certainly speed up if you've got a long document that you want to create and you find it easier to talk doing it. It can certainly speed that process up and can be a great option in those circumstances. So now that that's done, one thing I do want to discuss is dictating audio or video. So with this method, you may find when you try, so say you want to transcribe something from an audio file. So you start playing the audio file, you hit the Control key, it will sometimes automatically stop. So it's not the best method if you're looking to transcribe or dictate from an audio or video file. The best method I found so far to dictate from audio or video is to use a free piece of software called Whisper Transcription, which can be downloaded from the App Store. So let's go ahead and head to the App Store. And then in here, what we're going to search for is Whisper Transcription. And then we can see this first option here, we have Whisper Transcription. So let's go ahead and click on Get and then Install. Okay, so once it's downloaded, let's go ahead and hit Open. Hit Continue, Continue, and then we're going to skip this part here at the end. So these are all the pro features that you can have if you're willing to pay a one-off lifetime purchase or a monthly subscription. Go ahead and click on the X, And then from here, we have this option of Whisper models. So you'll soon be ready to work on your first transcript. To get you set up, please choose a language model from the list below. Larger models are more accurate, but slower. So we're going to go, so you can see that these are both locked behind the Pro, but we can use this small one here. So let's go ahead and hit download. Okay, so now that's installed, we can go ahead and click on close. And you can see here that we have options for open files, new recording, batch transcription, which is great if you've got a whole group of audio or video files that you want it to just keep transcribing one after the other. That's an excellent option that you can have. That one's locked behind the Pro, but again, if you've done a couple of tests and you're using it multiple times, you may find that that Pro subscription or one-off payment is worth it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on open files. And then from here, I'm just going to choose one of the videos that I've made before, and then I'm going to hit open. So you can see here that we can see the progress of the transcription of the video. We have an option here where we could, if we had the Pro, we could improve the quality, and we can see what it's using. So that small part that we used at the beginning, that's what's downloaded and being used to transcribe the audio from the video file here. Now, how long that takes is very much dependent on how long the video is. So this was only a 30-second video, so you can see it didn't take too long to get the transcription. But I essentially now here have a pretty perfect transcription of the audio that's in this video. So you can see how easy it is to transcribe that audio from a video. It also means that you can just open it up. If it's a longer video, you can just set it to the side, leave it there, let it spend its time transcribing that audio, come back, and it's all done for you. So if you're a student and you've got a video lecture and you want to get notes from that, you can just take that video, put it into here, and it'll transcribe all of the information from that lecture and provide you with a whole host of notes. So you can also see that we have up here, we have options of being able to copy. So that's now copied. I could open up my Pages document, and then I can paste the transcription in there. So some really kind of great options on how to dictate and transcribe your voice using Mac's built-in feature, but also audio and video using this free software called Whisper Transcription. So the final point I'll say is this export. So you can export the full transcript, but what you can also do is you can even transcript it as a subtitles file format as well. So there you have it. That is everything dictation, transcription on Mac. So I really, really hope that this has been useful for you. If it has, give it a like, comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.